Hello YouTube, I'm Shane.
And I'm Caden.
He's a little man.
And welcome to the shed.
Alright, so another thing to pull apart. What have we got this time, kiddo?
An old TV.
Oh yeah, that's right. So, bought this, must have been, lasted for 12 years. And then one day decided, hey, it would stop working. Anyway, let's get into it. Ah, so you remembered this time. We can use the power tools.
I know. Pretty amazing.
It is. So what do you reckon's the first thing we got to do?
I'm going to take out these little screws.
Yep. All right. Hurry up. What are you waiting for? So all the screws are out and we realised the back's going to fall out now. So you want to lie it down? Bang! Alright, now can you lift it off? Hopefully you got them all. Otherwise you're going to have to pick it back up again. Second time lucky, hey?
No.
What have you missed this time? Let me guess. Right where it's held in is another screw.
Where's my screws?
Alright. So I worked out there might be a little bit of gentle persuasion that's needed. It's your favourite kind.
Being rough.
You get to break stuff. See if you can just pull that end off.
This one.
No, the end. No. The end.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. Oh look, there you go. Break it.
Right here.
Sure. See? Your favourite thing. Okay. There you go. We got it all off now. Hooray! Alright, so what can we see here?
A water stuff.
Cool. What is it?
In the back of a TV.
Oh my god, really?
Oh wait, fidget toy.
Speakers.
No, fidget toys.
Speakers. Can you get them off the circuit board? There you go. Alright, let's have a look at these. I know, they make noises. It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Look, that says
Something. Oh, yeah.
8 ohm, 10 watt. Huge! Huge speakers. Jump, jump, jump. Well, I guess the next thing is to undo all the cables and take off more screws. See what else is there. What are the circuit boards we got? It's all the inputs. And that's stuff. Get to it. Finish stuff in your face? Anyway, now what? What do you think?
I'm taking screws off.
Bob, 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 bob. Let's have a look at that.
spiky.
That's cool. It's got some stuff and things on it.
It does have some stuff and things on it.
Cool. Stuck on. Oh, you missed one. Cool. What's that one got on it?
Stuff and things.
That's amazing. Cool. Still can't do it? Oh, you got it. Lucky you're not putting this back together.
I can still put it back together.
So look at them. I think that's for all the LEDs, LCDs, whatever it is. Oh. And that's what it came out of. What's next?
You.
The part that you couldn't see right in front of you. All the rest of the screws.
What?
Ready? Whoop! Try to lift it off. Oh, that was easy. Got them all? I reckon you missed at least 3.
Shut up.
You got them all now? What do you need?
I need the extension.
That you lost already? My tools? Well, that's helpful.
Stand up.
More moments later.
Was it right in front of you?
No,
Where was it?
it was under something.
That you didn't look properly?
I never looked for it.
Oh, you looked now?
Yeah.
That's good. Is that another piece you forgot to undo and why we couldn't get it off? That's the second one now. You said you had done everything. Is that the third one? Third piece that you hadn't done undone properly. Looks it.
You want a job?
Nope.
Try and get that off.
One-handed. There's still even more.
I don't do that.
Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. This is way more than 3 that I said. This is like 8.
No, yeah. 4.
Including the ones I haven't filmed. There is still at least 2 more that I know of. Thanks. More circuit boards! You're moaning and groaning a lot. let's cut that in. That out of the way. I got it. Look, we got little screws. They even have arrows on it. You can see you dancing. Hurry up.
Oh, I didn't miss the bolt this time.
That's a first. You got a frame now. Like a photo frame. Say cheese. You right? Alright, let's see what we got going on here now. Oh, wanna lift that up? Oh, that's cool. That's the screen.
Ooh. You know what we could do? We could, I've seen these things on YouTube. We could do this, and there's like, maybe it's on this.
You saw something on YouTube.
It might be.
We
like-
are on YouTube!
I know where.
Can you get the little tabs?
Is it these? Is that thing?
Yep, those. Can you pull it? Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah, I don't need nails for everything.
I've pulled off like 4 now.
Church.
And I'm on one
nails are longer than what they were.
I'm one-handed.
Well, I can cut an arm off so you're permanently one-handed.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
Oh my god, you're so slow.
I'm sorry, I have to cut more slides more nails.
More junk.
Nails are longer than what they were.
Ugh, what's this thing? Oh wow. Hey, stop. Oh, look at that.
This is the thing we do with the sunnies. This
That's
one
cool.
here.
That's pretty cool. Look at that. They're 3 different layers. That's looking real strange actually. Looks like there's about 3 of you,
You can see me.
but not where you actually are.
Yeah.
That's really cool. I have no idea what that is, but we should keep it. There seems to be one more layer. That's a big thick one. Your new favourite toy?
I'm gonna go to Mum and do that.
Oh, okay. Bye. Alright, well now you've come back from that adventure, I've got one last another cool thing to show you.
I don't think Mum was very impressed with me.
I'm not surprised, I wouldn't have been either. Look at this. Look at these. Ready? Careful. They're glass. Don't. No, don't do that. It's pretty cool, hey? There's a whole heap of these across here. I'm sure if we pull carefully they all come out, but anyway. Alright, so what are the cool things we found with this? We've got some glass tubey things.
Tubey thing.
And then we've got
Boards.
some circuit boards. We've got some cool thing. That looks pretty cool. Then we got some multi-layered glass piece.
3 layers.
And they all go together to make a TV.
And then I can't forget the front one.
So that's about it for this one. Was that kind of cool?
Yeah.
Besides making noise, what was your favourite part of it?
Pulling stuff apart.
Oh, okay. Which was your favourite part to pull apart? Besides the noise wobble board.
The circuit.
Circuit boards? Which one?
All 3 of them.
Oh, okay.
Daddy Brady.
Cool. All right. Awesome. You gonna say goodbye?
Bye.